I am SNSInstitutions. Today we are going to see about projectile motion in defense.
Yeah, good. Good to know that you both have prepared with some case study on the projectile motion.
Yes, sir.
The projectile motion is nothing but it travels in an inclined plane. Either not in the only in horizontal direction, not alone in the vertical direction. It will be inclined and traveling both the x and y directions. Yeah, you just proceed with your presentation. Just I want to give what is projectile, then you can continue from this.
Projectile motion is an object thrown into space upon which the only acting force is gravity. The only acting force is a gravitational force in the projectile motion. The followed path of the projectile motion under the action of gravity is called parabolic trajectory. It is commonly used in defense sectors and they are used in many sports and other things.
Good. Just I want to ask a question to you. He said that the projectile motion is traveling with the gravity. Whether it travels always against the gravity or sometimes it will change. Maybe change. Why?
It is not only traveling in an
Upward direction,
it travels in both the directions.
up and
So
downward direction. When it reaches to the maximum height, some cases it will fall down.
Projectile motion is a form of motion where an object is bilaterally symmetrical curved path under the influence of gravity. The curved path is mathematically parabola and it involves horizontal velocity and vertical acceleration of the object. A trajectory is a symmetry. Horizontal motion. There's a uniform motion when it is from the rest to its actual position. Vertical motion. When we apply a force or acceleration to the object will move in a particular direction.
Here, can you say how this image influenced the concepts of projectile? From this image, what you are getting in for?
So the man kicking the ball from the 0 degree to one particular angle.
Yeah, good.
The ball flows in the direction and falls down.
Yeah, good. It is having a target. To reach the target, he is kicking a ball and it starts in an inclined motion. And after reaching some height, it travels towards the particular target. We will able to observe that. After reaching a height, it once again comes down. Yeah, go ahead.
This is the equation of projectile motions. Horizontal motion, initial velocity, and maximum height, time of flight.
Yeah, good. Go ahead.
Real life example of projectile motion in defense. Bullet and shells fired from guns and cannons, mortars and missiles and rocket launchers trajectory.
Yeah, good. Go ahead. Here it is an image of bullet. It is travel from a gun. And what you are observing in this?
And the curved path it is used to the object to move very fast and hit the target.
Yeah, good. Good.
This is the degree of when given acceleration is high, the object reach particular distance of height and then fall down to the ground.
From this image, just you guys have to infer that when I want to reach a maximum distance, I must go with the angle which is closer to the horizontal axis, not very close to the horizontal axis. Here, when you just observe, when it is at 30 degree, whether we are able to achieve a higher range, higher or minimum? Yeah. When it is the angle is very high, 75 degree, what is the range?
Very
Minimum. When I throw the object, when I shoot the object at a particular angle of 45 degree, what is the range we are able to observe?
Maximum.
We are able to achieve the maximum range. So the inclination matters. Just go ahead.
Use of parabolic motion in defense system helps in determining where a projectile will land. Firing angle calculation ensure accuracy in hitting the target guidance system used in smart weaponry and missile guidance.
Yeah, good. Just go to the next.
This is the picture of rocket launcher, which is used to do
It's major application where we can observe that for rocket launching, the projectile motion plays a major. Just go with that.
advanced application in defense. Ballistic missiles and
Sides.
missiles and intercontinental projectiles used extended versions of parabolic trajectories. AI-based targeting system use real-time parabolic computation. Drones and UAVs stimulate projectile motion paths.
Unarmed vehicles. Just you have seen that now in the defense sector, we are using drone to hit the target, enemy's target. There we are sending our only drones. We are not using any human to interfere on the defense sectors. That is, while we are in the war, we are not using now human forces are minimal when we compare with the olden time. The unarmed vehicles are used now. They are traveling with the concepts of projectile, where we are sitting over here and we are operating using some remote controls and we'll able to control
around a particular area.
Yeah, sure.
The picture of hitting target and the angle required for bullet firing a gun.
So this is another application where we are using the concept of projectile. Good.
Factor affecting accuracy, air resistance, wind speed and direction, rotation of earth, altitude and weather condition, which affect the projectile motion of an object.
These are the
Major
some factors that affecting the accuracy. Sometimes we'll focus on a target, we'll not able to achieve the target accurately. These are the some factors which we are not able to predict before. Yeah, good.
projectile parabolas plays a vital role in defense sector. Accurate mathematical modeling leads to better targeting and reduced collateral damage. Understanding projectile motion is essential for defense engineers, strategies, and weapon system designers.
Thank you. Thank you for both of you.
Thank you, sir.